Hey guys, I'm back with my channel all about knowledge, and this is video for class 10 students who are stuck in this lockdown and want to study their maths and science for their future utilization, that when the physical classes will open they can understand the chapters very easily. So I'm there. This is the part 2 for the chapter light reflection and refraction. I have posted the part 1 video one day ago. You can go and watch it. I have given the link in my description box. Now moving on, in the first part we have done till rules for image formation. Now in this part we will discuss the image formation by spherical mirrors. Though, so we have only two mirrors, concave mirror and convex mirror. So first we will discuss about the concave mirrors. So you remember I have told in the last video that for any image formation minimum two rays are necessary. We have to take two rays. So I have taken only two rays in each ray diagram, and I will not repeat the rule that I have followed in each ray diagram. You can watch my earlier video and understand the ray diagrams. So without wasting time, let's proceed. For concave mirror, there are six image formation diagrams, or we can say that six ray diagrams for image formation. So we will keep the object first at infinity, and then we will move on further towards the pole of the mirror. So in case 1 I have kept the, see, I have written position of object infinity, means I have kept my object at infinity and two parallel rays are coming, so they will pass through the focus, and where that these two rays will meet, there will be the image formation. So here the two rays are meeting at the focus, means the position of object, when the position of object is infinity, position of image will be at the focus and it will be highly diminished. Here diminished means extreme, we can say that extreme smaller size, or we can otherwise say that point size. And the nature of the image will be real and inverted, means this image which has formed will be real and inverted. Now the next case will be when we will keep the object beyond C. It is C, that is center of curvature, and object is kept beyond C. So we will take two rays. One will, I have taken parallel ray and one at the pole, so it will pass through focus, and one will follow the law of reflection. Here the image will be formed between C and F. You have to remember these four things, that position of object, image, size of image or nature, in all the six cases. It is very important for board examinees, that because one question is asked every year, it is extreme important topic. It is the second case where the object is at beyond C, image will be formed between C and F, size of the image will be diminished, nature will be real and inverted again. Now in case 3, we will place the object at C, that is center of curvature, and we will see that the image is also formed at C, but it is a same size, means whatever size of object we have taken, we will get the image of that size only, and the nature of image will be real inverted, which we can see at the ray diagram clearly that it is inverted and real image. In the fourth case, we will place the object between C and F, and we will get the image beyond C, which will be enlarged, means the image will be greater than the size of the object, and the nature will be again real and inverted. In the fifth case, we will when we will place the object at F, which is focus, we will get the image as infinity. See, when these reflected rays are taken, they are not seem to be appear intersected, so we cannot say where they are meeting and we are getting an image. So we say that the image is formed as infinity. Size will be extreme enlarged because it is meeting at the infinity, so you can think of what size it will be. Nature will be again real and inverted. Now the last and sixth case for the concave mirror is when the position of object is between F and P, that is focus and pole. It is extreme important case, as this case is only asked every year in board exams. So please focus in this carefully. When we will place the object between F and P, one ray I have taken that is crossing through the center of curvature, so there will be no reflected ray. It will trace the same path, so I have indicated with arrow marks, you can see that. And I have taken one ray at the pole, which will be reflected like this. So this side we can see that in the left part of the mirror, the rays are, these two are diverging rays, they are not meeting anywhere, we can see that. So when we will trace the path on the back side of the mirror, we will see that they are meeting. So we can say that the image will be formed behind the mirror. See, I have written here position of image behind the mirror, and it will be virtual and erect image. You can see it is erect, and erect is always virtual. So the size will be highly enlarged, which is visible in the ray diagram. So these were the 6 cases for concave mirror. Now let's move on for the convex mirrors. For convex mirrors, we have only 2 cases. When the object will be placed as infinity, then we will get the image as focus. See, at this type, this part of the mirror, the rays will diverge. So when we will extend the rays on behind the mirror, we will see that the 2 rays are intersecting at focus. So we can say that the position of image is focus and size of the image is highly diminished. I have mentioned the meaning of diminished in my, and nature will be virtual and erect. You have to remember that convex mirror will always give virtual and erect image. Second case will be when the object is placed between infinity and pole, means anywhere between infinity and pole of the mirror, we will get the image between pole and focus. The size will be diminished and nature will be virtual and erect. Now we have to learn the 2 topics which are uses of concave mirror and convex mirror, which are very easy. I have mentioned the uses of concave mirror used in torches, searchlights, vehicle headlights, shaving mirrors used by dentists, concentrate lights to produce heat in solar furnace. They are converging mirrors, so they can be used for solar furnaces. Now, this is very important for board examinees, as this is asked every year in the board exam, uses of convex mirror. And the only question is why we use convex mirror in rear view mirrors on the vehicles. I have mentioned the reason here that the convex mirror is used in rear view mirrors in vehicles because they give a wider view of traffic behind and always give virtual and erect image. Convex mirrors always give virtual and erect image by diminishing the size of the object, and they cover a wider view of the area. So these are used in rear view mirrors in vehicles. If you liked my video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest videos and help for science and maths for 10th students as well as 11th and 12th students. I will continue this chapter in my next part of the video. Till then, thank you.